Months ago, I have created a post asking all of you whether I should get the Orbrium Coaches or the MBTA cars, so that I could make customizations out of them. And a big majority of you, out of the 86 votes that I have received, a lot of you have voted for me to get the Orbrium Coaches. So, I asked, you answered, and I listened. Alright, so here they are. I got the Orbrium Coaches. And you may see that I have ordered 4 of these packs. And in addition to them, I also got these unpainted train cars right here. So I am going to open one of these up right here. Look at that. Plastic wrap somehow is open there. So I'll may as well open it from here. Very nice. Orbrium Express. See how well it goes on the tracks here. And it fits very well. Very good. And to see how strong the magnets are, they seem somewhat strong to me. Yeah, they're not really that bad. The magnets aren't really bad. I saw in the reviews that the magnets are weak, but no, they're alright to me. I guess it was a good thing that most of you voted for me to get the Orbrium Coaches instead of the MBTA cars, which would cost me $25 for a 2-pack, versus getting 3 of these for $12. And another thing, the 2-pack of MBTA cars, the prices have risen from $25 to $30. Can you believe that? But, yep, I am pretty glad that I decided to get these. I am very glad I chose to listen to all those who voted for me to get the Orbrium Coaches instead of the MBTA cars. And now, I can put these aside and open up the unpainted train cars that I've decided to get along with the Orbrium Coaches. So there's the engine, the 2 freight cars, and the brake van. And I can just try and open these up with just my bare hands. Maybe I could do it, maybe I could. Oh, there we go. Alright, so there is the engine and these 2 freight cars, the brake van. Very good. Just very, very good. So I am certainly going to make customs out of these unpainted train cars, along with making customs out of some, if not all, of these Orbrium Coaches. I will not say what I'm going to customize them as, nor will I be taking any requests for what I will make customizations of. I will, however, take requests for who you want this engine to be. because I don't have any idea what to customize this engine as. So, oh, the dome there is pretty crooked, like a little crooked. I just noticed that. But I can excuse that. So yeah, no requests for what to make customizations of these or these, but I will take a request of what to customize this engine of. So yep, the Unpainted train cars and the Orbrium Coaches. This is all really good. So that is my whole order of Orbrium train cars. My name is Mambus D. Pambus, and I will see you all later.